Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. It's my husband's birthday. Happy birthday, baby! If you're watching, I'm gonna send him a message on the phone to say happy birthday, and I'm still gonna start cooking my breakfast and then cook the corn for that's probably I'll do it later. So anyway guys, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning to me. I'm dizzy what I'm doing. Anyway guys. Yeah, and then after cleaning there, I'm going to put the balloons and the birthday thing. And then I will put a balloon over there. I'm gonna start heating the food, and so that's really it, pansit. Let's see if I can find my thread, guys. Find it. This is very helpful. Thread for my armpits, for my legs. Not for my armpits. I can't really do for my armpits. I'm sorry, music is exploding in here, guys. I love doing works when there's music. If there's no music, I kind of get lazy. Meal here, like a person on a feed. I was talking to my sister-in-law. She called me this morning and we talked. I kind of so excited to show her that, you know, I'm done outside. And then also, so I'm excited. I said, I'm gonna send you a picture. And then I send her picture. But I just realized I sent it to my husband. So now my husband know that we're preparing, you know, the birthday party here. Like, you know, it's just a gathering, you know, just a small birthday thing for my husband. But it's really sucks. Oh my God, I tried to delete it. But even though if you delete it quick, even it's not sending yet, they still received it. That's the only bad thing about this thing, sending messages. You can, while it's still sending, you can't delete it. You can delete it, but the other side can receive the text anyway, no matter what, even if you deleted it. Once you send it, you delete it in your phone, but he's still receiving, or the one that you're sending, they're still receiving the picture or the message. And it's kind of sucks. It's like I did it this morning twice. I sent my husband a message to tell him happy birthday, and then I sent it to my sister-in-law, and I tried to delete it. She received it anyway, and then, you know, it sucks. He knows now, so he kind of like pissy. He kind of like, why you did it? It's nonsense, you know. It's just a regular day. You don't have to do that. I don't like it. Whatever. You know what? That's the bad thing about him. He doesn't like anything for him. He doesn't want some people do something for him. He has that mentality. But it's not really a lot of food. The food that I made last night was macaroni salad, eggplant farm, and what else? Corn. I'm doing it. My sister-in-law is doing the salad. There's pork, and I'm gonna make salmon also. So we're good. It's just, it's good. And it's kind of wobbly. Why is it? Okay. So I'm doing a laundry at the same time. I hope my husband will come here already. But no, I'm gonna marinate. I'm gonna season the salmon that I can do it later. It's ready and tasty. So yeah, and that's really it. I'm going to do and heat everything. I separated it with paper towel, guys.
Picture on the past mustard.
They are on the way now. They supposedly leave 11 o'clock already, guys, but as usual, and that's why I want them to be here early as soon as possible. Because tomorrow my husband is going to work. Tom is going to work tomorrow, and what happened, like I want 4 o'clock dinner. That we leave early. After dinner we have cake and then leave, back to the city. So I'm making some salmon to add for the pork. That we have something, fishy looking salmon. I'm gonna bake it later for to heat it like. And we have pork. I reheat it, and the thing is already here. How do you call that, guys? Eggplant. And I'm going to check the. I need to get this one, guys. Corny. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 of that, I'll boil it because I like it boiled. My sister-in-law have salad, so that's good. It's just a very simple dinner for us. Here are the things. I'm gonna throw that out. So that's what it is. Let's try, guys, to go out and check if they're here. Let's see. Wow, there's a lot of berries. Raspberries. And there's more here. Like that. I'll show you. Look. I hope. Oh my god, some of it get burnt off by the cold and hot weather. But there's still some good. Look. What a perfect day, guys. Nice, kind of windy, and yeah, I'm waiting for them, but they're very close in here now, so I'll probably see them very soon now.